Alright, I'm back. 91.9 Friends FM, Frequency Friends Keeper. We are all set to talk to hospitality industry के legend, the one and only Suborno Bose. अनलॉकिंग द लॉकडाउन में जो हमारे साथ वो बातें करने वाले हैं, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट इंसाइट्स शेयर करने वाले हैं आने वाले टाइम पे और इस टाइम पे हाउ द इंडस्ट्री इज फंक्शनिंग एंड हाउ ऑल द पीपल जो हमको इस वक्त सुन रहे हैं 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम पर, they should be taking lessons from the one and only Suborno Bose. Only on 91.9 Friends FM, unlocking the lockdown hospitality industry के महारथियों के साथ में. Do not go anywhere. We're gonna talk absolutely live right now on Cheers Kolkata. Stay tuned.
Live.
निगाहों से तो डेफिनेटली वादा किया है. वादा ये किया है कि निगाहों से ये देखेंगे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करेंगे, दूर रहेंगे, एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखेंगे. 91.9 फ्रेंड्स एफएम, फ्रीक्वेंसी फ्रेंड्स की पर मैं हूँ स्मृति. जी हाँ, चीयर्स कोलकाता. 7:30 सेकंड्स हो रहा है टाइम. अनलॉकिंग द लॉकडाउन हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्रीज को लेकर के आज हम बातें कर रहे हैं. एंड राइट नाउ ऑन द फोन लाइन वी आर एब्सोल्युटली लाइव विद द वन एंड ओनली Mr. Suborno Bose, the chairman of for the International Hospitality Council and IIHM. A very, very warm welcome right here on 91.9 Friends FM, Mr. Bose. Kamon acho?
Absolutely good. Sidi, thank you so much for the introduction. Always a delight to come back to the Friends FM.
Kya baat hai, sir. The pleasure is all ours. And introduction dena is something that you've made it, you've earned it, and we are so glad and grateful to have you right here on 91.9 Friends FM, your very own 91.9 Friends FM. Hoping the evening is going well, sir. As you know, unlocking the lockdown hospitality industries ke niye amra kotha bolchi, and the best thing about the current time is for all of us, especially the people of Bengal, Kolkata, amra bolte parbo aram se, cyclone Amphan হোক বা of course a corona pandemic হোক, human spirit of course clearly একমাত্র winner হয়ে চলে এসেছে. So the positive mindset of the people can overcome all challenges, আমরা সত্যি believe করি. So sir, tell us kindly, Mr. Suborno Bose, that what would be your advice to the people who are related to the hospitality industry today? How can they overcome their challenges, and what should be the mantra to overcome this pandemic situation along with the go-getting attitude?
Yes, so obviously we are all going through very difficult times.
Sure.
These are unprecedented times, difficult times, especially for the food industry, hospitality industry. But there is no reason to be desperate or to feel that everything is lost. I think there are a lot of light at the end of the tunnel. Next 2 to 3 months would be difficult for any industry, and hospitality industry included. But I think we have shown enough resilience. We have shown that the industry has got a chin-up attitude. And I'm sure that tough people that we are in the hospitality industry, as you know, the hospitality industry is made of tough people. When the world celebrates, we work. Be it on 31st of December, or be it of your best days of your life, we work to make people happy. So I think we are made of that kind of DNA, that the toughness and challenges and facing challenges are part of our life and lifestyle. So yes, I have to admit these are difficult times, but nothing like the end of the world. I think another 3 months and we should be back. And I will like to tell everybody to again come back to the food courts, to the restaurants, of course, keeping in mind all the government regulations, safe distancing, and health and sanitization. But keeping this all in mind, they should come back to their favorite restaurants, food courts, or hotels. I'm sure hospitality industry will be back in a few months from now.
Absolutely, very very well said. I think toughness যে কথাটা তুমি মেনশন করলে, দ্য ওয়ার্ড যেটা তুমি মেনশন করলে মিস্টার সুবর্ণ বোস, আই থিঙ্ক ইটস সিনোনিমাস টু ইয়োর নেম ইন দ্য ইন্ডাস্ট্রি অ্যান্ড বিয়ন্ড.
Yeah, so I think the one thing that we all have to also do is little bit of a entrepreneurship. There are some people who have lost jobs, and
Correct.
for them also my suggestion is that they should do some entrepreneurship. They should do some mini business, micro business, and sometimes jobs are difficult. মাঝে মাঝে অনেক অনেক ব্যবসা হয় যেগুলো কিন্তু খুব ছোট, মানে 10,000 20,000 টাকা দিয়ে চালু করা যায় কিংবা আরো কম দিয়ে, এবং সেটাকে আমার এনকারেজ করা উচিত। সেটা ব্যাংক লোন দিয়ে হোক কিংবা বন্ধু বান্ধব থেকে টাকা নিয়ে হোক। আই থিঙ্ক এভরিবডি ডোন্ট নিড টু ওয়ার্ক। ইভেন কেউ যদি বাড়িতে খুব ভালো আচার বানায়, চাটনি বানায়, জ্যাম বানায়, লট অফ টেকার্স ফর ইট।
Correct.
So we need to think about a Gujarat model, and we need to really be self-sufficient.
অ্যাবসলিউটলি, ভেরি ভেরি ওয়েল সেড স্যার. লকডাউনের পর মানে ওয়ে ফরওয়ার্ডটা হসপিটালিটি ইন্ডাস্ট্রির কি হবে, কি হওয়া উচিত ফর অল দ্য স্টুডেন্টস, অলসো যারা অ্যাসপায়ারিং স্টুডেন্টস আছে তাদেরকে কি বলবে?
আমার যেটা মনে হয়, hospitality industry depends a lot on the other industry. It's about IT, it's about manufacturing, it's about the service industry, because these are the industry where people work. And when they work, they come to hospitality, they come to food, they come to restaurant, and they enjoy. So এই industry গুলো যখন ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, তখন automatically people will have the money to come and enjoy the hospitality and the food industry. So it's important that the entire industry, the entire economic activity comes back, at least to 50%. So people will automatically come. এখন যদি ইকোনমি যদি না ঠিক হয়, তাহলে লোকের হাতে টাকা না থাকে, তাহলে তারা তো আসবে না। So it's very important for India, and with all the aid that the government of India has promised, we have to make sure that the economic activity comes back. Once the economic activity comes back, people will come back to the food industry, they will come back to restaurant. I've been telling for last 4 weeks that you cannot lock the best brains and the best minds of India inside the home. You cannot. You need to start a business with all kinds of precautions, but you need to start a business. People cannot be locked down any further. Enough has been done, and we need to live with the virus, because there is no way this virus is going to go away. There is no way. So since the virus is not going to go away, we need to peacefully coexist with the virus. We need to live together with all the precautions, take care of our families, take care of ourselves, and make sure that we all coexist and still be back in the good old world that it used to be pro-COVID days.
Absolutely, খুবই খুবই ভালো বলেছেন that we have to learn to coexist. Sir, you being the pioneering personality from the hospitality industry and the chairman for the International Hospitality Council and IIHM, on behalf of entire hospitality industry, what positive mantra তুমি শেয়ার করতে চাইবে with all the listeners of 91.9 Friends FM যারা আমাদেরকে শুনছে কলকাতা, বেঙ্গল, বিয়ন্ড, এভরিওয়্যার, তাদেরকে কি বলতে চাইবে?
Yeah, I just want to say that tough times don't last. Tough times don't last. So it is going to be back again. Just keep the resilience, keep the brave face, keep the courage, get the chin up, and I'm sure that another 12 weeks and we are back in action. So we need to keep the courage going, keep the positivity going, think positive, don't see too much of the news and the media, and really try to think about what we can do positively. And as our good friend Jimmy also said that we will rock again. Just another 8 to 12 weeks and we are back and we'll rock again.
Absolutely, just a few days to go. Let's be resilient and we'll rock again. Thank you so much for such enlightening word, such insight आपने जो दिया पूरी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, और इतनी पॉजिटिव बातें आपने করেছেন আমাদের সকলের সাথে, उसके लिए অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ স্যার. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Have a great evening, you too, sir. Cheers to you. So yes, he was none other than Mr. Suborno Bose, the chairman of International Hospitality Council and IIHM, exclusively on 91.9 Friends FM. Unlocking the lockdown mantras जो है शेयर कर रहे हैं हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री को के बारे में. उसके रिलेटेड. सो थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ टीम 91.9 फ्रेंड्स ऑफ फैम. मैं हूँ स्मृति बोल रही हूँ श्रेयस कोलकाता. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड ज़रूर से जाकर के हाथ धो लेना यार, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको पता है ना. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the Facebook Live right here on 91.9 Friends of Fem's Facebook page. He was Mr. Suborno Bose talking to us on behalf of hospitality industry. आगे क्या होना है, क्या करना है, नहीं करना है. सो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी का इस लाइव सेशन को देखने के लिए. अब मुलाकात हम करेंगे कल शाम 5 बजे. ऑफ 91.9 Friends of Fem's Facebook पेज. नज़र रखिए एंड सेफ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, हाथ धोते रहें. चीयर्स टू यू.